In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Jira using the best method available. This process will optimize your project management workflow by streamlining communications between these two powerful tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect Trello and Jira for a more efficient project experience. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is access your Trello board. This is your primary workspace where you manage your tasks, and having it open is essential throughout this setup. Once your Trello board is ready, you'll want to focus on the Power-Ups section. Power-Ups are essentially integrations or plugins that enhance Trello's capabilities. Next, head over to the Power-Ups menu, typically found in the Settings section of your board. Click on Add Power-Ups to explore various integrations available for your board. In the search bar, type in Jira to locate the specific Power-Up needed for our integration. When you find the Jira Power-Up, go ahead and click Add. This will install the integration to your board. Once added, it's time to configure some settings. Click on Settings, then proceed to select Edit Power-Up Settings. This area allows you to customize how Trello and Jira will work together. Now click on Connect to Jira. This prompts you to establish a link between the two platforms. Moving forward, you need to access your Jira account. Navigate to your Jira page and copy the Jira URL from your browser's address bar. This URL is crucial because it serves as the connection point between Trello and Jira. Head back to your Trello board and within the Jira Power-Up settings, locate the field where you can paste this URL. Once pasted, confirm your action by clicking Connect to Jira. You're nearing the final steps. You'll see an Authorize button. This is key to granting the necessary permissions for the integration to function. Click Authorize to enable Trello to interact with Jira according to your configuration. Once authorization is successful, you will notice that the systems begin communicating seamlessly, allowing tasks and updates to reflect across both platforms. Finally, close the Power-Ups menu to finalize the integration setup. And there you have it, your Trello and Jira are now successfully integrated. This will not only improve your project tracking capabilities, but also ensure that team collaborations are more synchronized and productive. Remember, if you need to adjust any integrations in the future, you can always revisit the Power-Ups settings. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on integrating Trello with Jira. Hopefully this walkthrough made the process easy to understand and implement. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy project managing!